2017 BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe. That's what they call them. Really beautiful car. Turbo. It's got factory converter up there somewhere. Then secondary converter there. 3-inch pipe folded a little bit, as you guys can see. Then we did a resonator delete. Then we ran 3-inch pipe all the way back into a dual tip right there. And then there's a valve here that we zip tie away. They hid it inside the plastic over there. You can't see it. There's usually a valve that comes on the stock muffler. We just cut it and put it away so the engine thinks that it's still got it, the computer. There's the stock muffler that we cut off right there. There's the resonator we cut off. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Good. You guys like it? Yeah. Again? Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Again? There we go. 102. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds so good. Guys think? Let us know in the comments. Do you like the sound? Do you not like the sound? Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW 430i. Straight pipe, resonator muffler delete.